The new generation of NFLG Green and Smart Mixing Park is a green plant featuring low carbon energy, waste recycling, clean production, humanization, and high safety. It uses intelligent informatization system and establishes a model of intelligent production line of commercial concrete. The park adopts solar energy and intelligent layout. It consists of a large enclosed material stockyard, a main mixing tower, an office building, staff living quarters, a vehicle repair workshop, an LNG filling station, a wastewater and waste residue recycling area, a parking area, an automatic vehicle washing machine, a drainage recycling system, way bridges and green belts, etc. After the management staff enters the park through the intelligent access control system and passes multiple recognition systems, such as the facial recognition system and the fingerprint recognition system, he or she gains the authorization to start the smart production line. After starting up simply by pressing one button, the system will detect the production tasks of the day and automatically perform the operations of scheduling, formula sending, production, procurement, equipment inspection, etc., and implement the production plan.
The number NF16 vehicle is about to enter. It is 500 meters away from the NFLG Commercial Concrete Mixing Park. Please drive on the right side of the road. The cement truck requests for entry. License plate number NF16, Conca Cement P42.5, weight 40 ton. Please enter the park and wade through the weight bridge. Please confirm the weight data and click the confirmation button. Please drive to the number 2 cement silo of number 1 mixing station. Wrong route. Please drive to the number 1 mixing station. You have arrived at number 1 station. Please connect the feeding hose with number 2 cement silo.
The cement silo is connected successfully. The smart induction system activates the start button and the hose valve is open.
The number 2 silo was successfully connected and the intelligent cement feeding is started. The number 2 silo is filling cement and the estimated filling time is 30 minutes. The number 2 silo is filling 40 tons of P42.5 conch cement and the estimated filling time is 30 minutes. It is working normally now.
The screw air compressor is pressurized and the cement enters the cement silo along the pipe. The post dust collector at the top of the silo starts the dust removal mode, and the dust removal efficiency can reach 99%. A large drought fan is used to balance the pressure inside the silo. The intelligent dust monitoring system of the mixing tower automatically monitors the dust condition in the working environment. The cement silo safety pressure detection and control system monitors the material level and the silo pressure through a continuous level gauge and a pressure sensor, which ensures safe operation of the cement silo system. When cement level reaches the high position and pressure inside silo overhead, the sound and light alarm will be activated and the valve will be closed automatically.
When the cement filling is completed, please disconnect the cement hose and drive to the weight bridge.
The weight data is automatically collected and transmitted synchronously to the central control center. The driver confirms the weight data and drives the vehicle away from the park. The aggregate trucks will be guided into the park and get weighed through the intelligence system. The weight data is automatically collected and transmitted synchronously to the central control center. Then with the voice guidance through the mobile phone, the truck enters number 1 unloading port. The intelligent inductive spray dust suppression system in the dust cover automatically turns on. The belt conveyor is automatically started and the aggregate is transported to the designated stock bins. Each discharging point is equipped with a spray dust removal device to ensure no dust and no noise pollution in a large aggregate stockyard.
The belt conveyor works normally and the speed is normal. The belt is running normally. The roller is running normally. The dust concentration is normal and the noise value is normal.
The feeding belt is designed in two ends to ensure that the aggregate can be evenly stacked at both the front and rear ends in the stock bins. The system automatically inspects the material level in the stock bin and intelligently judges when and which kind of aggregate needed to be loaded, and fills the stock bins in turn without interruption. The aggregate in the stock bin is intelligently controlled by the system and is fed into the mixing tower through the conveyor belt. In the mixing tower, the automatic placing machine rotates to the corresponding position of the stock bin and temporarily stores the aggregate in the stock bin at the top of the mixing tower. Full automatic feeding reduces labor and production cost and avoids the noise and dust pollution caused by using a loader. When the unloading is completed, the vehicle passes the weight bridge and the weight data is automatically collected, and the system automatically updates the inventory data. And then the vehicle drives away from the plant. The admixture truck is guided by the intelligence system to the weight bridge and then enters the number 1 port to unload the admixture through the voice instruction of mobile phone.
Please confirm the information sign of admixture.
When the driver confirms the information, the valve opens automatically, and the admixture in the storage tank is pressurized and pumped into the main mixing tower. When the delivery is completed, the vehicle is weighed and the weight data is automatically collected, and then the vehicle leaves the plant.
Mixer truck requests for entry.
The access control system automatically scans the license plate number, identifies the vehicle information, and confirms the consignee information.
License plate number Min C6597. Mixer truck. Task number 111101. Luozhangwanke Phase 2. Location: stairs. Grade: C30. Total: 9 cubic meters. Please enter the plant and go to the wet mixing recovery area to clean the residue in the tank.
The wet mixing recovery area consists of vehicle washing automatic control system, sand and gravel separation system, hydrocyclone separation system, sewage treatment system, and slurry filter system. When the infrared sensor system automatically detects that the mixer truck is in place, the whole system runs automatically, and 2 to 4 trucks can be cleaned at the same time. The sand and gravel separation system separates the aggregate and the water at one time, and the vibrating screen effectively breaks and sieves the wet material to avoid plugging of the sieve holes. The hydrocyclone separation system separates the tiny solid particles in the slurry water to ensure that the slurry water discharged into the mixing tank has the lowest content of solid particles. The sewage treatment system consists of a primary and secondary mixing tank, a clean water tank, and a sedimentation tank, which can recycle various wastewater generated by the mixing plant and form a self-circulating system. The slurry filter press system can pump the slurry water to the slurry water separation device for pressure filtration, and the separated filter cake can be used for reprocessing, and the clean water is discharged into the mixing tank for recycling.
After the residue in the tank is cleaned, please drive to the parking area and wait in line. Min C6597 mixer truck. Please go to the number 1 port. The mixer truck is aligned with the discharge port, grade C30, total 9 cubic meters, and the expected filling time is 10 minutes.
Large deep angle eccentric arc design, patented vibrating lining structure, and optional special mechanism for especially difficult materials ensure smooth unloading of aggregate. Coarse and fine metering and automatic weighing supplement and deduction ensure accurate measurement. The cement powder is transported from the cement silo to the powder scale, and the gas tank replaces the spiral for energy saving and noise reduction. During the measurement process, the difference of level is automatically adjusted. In addition to coarse and fine metering, and the air pressure is automatically balanced, which ensures accurate measurement. The water is pumped by the water pump to the scales. After the metering is completed, the water is discharged into the interim hopper with the admixture at the same time, and the mixture falls into the main machine after fully mixed. After various graded aggregates, cement, powders, water, admixtures, etc., are metered by the high-precision metering system, sand and gravel are discharged separately and evenly mixed to realize concrete production through mortar coating method.
The dust concentration is within the normal range, and the noise value is within the normal range.
The production monitoring system real-time displays the concrete temperature, slumps, and the power and the current curve during production. The discharge port adopts an arc-shaped gate valve, which ensures no dripping of concrete and keeps clean and tidy at the connecting section.
The loading has been completed. Please watch the exterior.
The washing system automatically senses the vehicle and cleans off the exterior of the mixer truck. When the cleaning is completed, the vehicle leaves the park. The Central Control Center automatically sends the location, mileage, time, and other information to the driver's mobile phone. After daily work, routine maintenance is performed on the machine. Use the high-pressure cleaning device to clean the residue through the discharge hopper adapter and discharge to the sewage recycling tank. The management staff checks the internal liner, blades, wearing parts, and axle inside the mixing tank through a probe. The intelligent system automatically summarizes today's production information and generates report forms. According to the equipment conditions, it automatically performs intelligent lubrication on each moving part. An equipment maintenance plan is automatically generated after the maintenance operation is completed. With the administrator fingerprint recognition button, it can realize one-button shutdown. NFLG builds a new model of all-intelligent production, shaping an intelligent new future for concrete mixing companies.